A very good morning, children. Welcome back. Today we start a new lesson. Before that, I would like to ask few questions. Are you ready to answer? Yes. At home, you have many toys, isn't it? Yes. Do you like toy train? How it makes sound? Chuk 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 chuk. Like that, no? Yes. The name of this lesson is Chuk Chuk. You are right. Yes, which is related to a train, a toy train.
Okay dears, now we are going to see the characters. Chuk Chuk, a red toy train. A rich man, Rahul's grandfather. Jambu, the elephant toy. Mitu, the parrot toy. Teddy, the leader of the toys. Sim Sim, the clown toy. Rahul, rich man's grandson. Atul, Rahul's friend. Mohan, Rahul's friend. Okay dears, now we are going to see this lesson. What is the name of this lesson dears? Chuk Chuk. Yes, superb dears, you are right. Let's we see this lesson.
Chuk Chuk was a red toy train. It had a powerful headlight, a bell, three carriages and many strong wheels. Whenever Chuk Chuk moved, the headlight shone brightly and the bell rang loudly. All the children passing by saw it in the shop window. They would stop to look at it and scream, "What a beautiful toy train! Look how quickly it moves on the railway tracks." When Chuk Chuk heard these words of praise, it became very proud.
Okay dears, see this picture Chuk Chuk? It is a toy train, isn't it? What is the color of Chuk Chuk? Yes, it is red in color. You can see the headlight, isn't it? How it is? Yes, it is a powerful headlight. What is meant by powerful? Powerful means very strong, isn't it? Yes. And also, the Chuk Chuk has a bell. Okay, then it has three carriages and many strong wheels. Whenever this Chuk Chuk moves, its headlights shine brightly and its bells ring loudly. Then all the children were screaming. What is meant by screaming? They were shouted with joy when they saw Chuk Chuk through the shop window. This toy train. Who is the toy train? Yes, Chuk Chuk. This Chuk Chuk felt very proud of itself. Do you know what is the reason? Yes, you are right, because all the children were praising it, Noda. So it felt very proud of itself.
One day, a rich man bought the red toy train for his grandson. When Rahul opened his grandfather's present, he shouted with joy. He put Chuk Chuk in the big basket where he kept his other toys. Jambu, the elephant, smiled and said, "Welcome, Chuk Chuk." Chuk Chuk did not reply. Mitu, the parrot, squawked, "Will you give us a ride, Chuk Chuk?" Chuk Chuk did not answer. When Teddy, the leader of the toys, tried to talk to Chuk Chuk, it did.
One day, a rich man bought this red toy train. Who is red toy train? Chuk Chuk, yes, for his grandson. What is his grandson name? Rahul. Rahul opened his grandfather's present. He was excited and also he get more joy. Yes. Then he put this Chuk Chuk in the big toy basket where he already put his other toys. Jambu, the elephant. Who is Jambu? The elephant toy. It smiled and said to Chuk Chuk, "Welcome, Chuk Chuk." What it is asking? It is asking Chuk Chuk to come. Chuk Chuk did not reply. Next, Mithu. Who is Mithu? Yes, the parrot toy. It also asked this Chuk Chuk to welcome. And also what it is asking? It is asking Chuk Chuk to give them a ride. But Chuk Chuk not at all replied anything. Teddy. Who is Teddy? The leader of the toys. It also tried to talk to Chuk Chuk. But Chuk Chuk didn't reply anything to any other toys. Why? Because it felt too proud of itself, isn't it?
Reply. When the toys chattered and played during the night, Chuk Chuk sat in a corner. It did not try to make friends with the other toys in the basket. The toys whispered to each other. Chuk Chuk is very proud. It thinks it's better than us. One evening, Rahul's friends Atul and Mohan came to play with Chuk Chuk. They made it run many times round the garden. Chuk Chuk started feeling tired and sleepy. Then it was time for the boys to go home. Atul accidentally kicked Chuk Chuk. Bing bang bong. Chuk Chuk went flying into a bush. Its powerful headlight fell off and there were deep scratches all over its body. Rahul said goodbye to his friends and went inside his house. He forgot all about Chuk Chuk. Soon it became dark. Poor Chuk Chuk was alone and frightened in the bush.
Other toys were talking and playing during the night time, but this Chuk Chuk was sitting alone in a corner. It didn't make any other as its friend in the same basket. So the other toys were talking about this Chuk Chuk. What they are talking? See, this Chuk Chuk is feeling very proud of itself. It is thinking it is better than us, isn't it? We should not be proud like it, yes? One evening, Rahul's friends. Who are Rahul's friends? Yes, you are right. Atul and Mohan. They came to Rahul's house to play with Chuk Chuk. They made this Chuk Chuk to run many times in the garden. So what happened to Chuk Chuk? It felt very tired and sleepy. Then it was a time for the boys to go their home. What happened? Thus Atul, while he moved from that place, he accidentally kicked whom da? Yes, Chuk Chuk. So what happened to Chuk Chuk? This Chuk Chuk went flying into the bush. So it got more scratches in its body and its headlight also damaged. Then Rahul said goodbye to his friends. Who are his friends? Yes, you are right. Atul and Mohan. Then he went inside his house. But he didn't think anything about Chuk Chuk. Soon it became dark and Chuk Chuk alone and it was frightened in the bush.
Teddy was worried about Chuk Chuk. He said to all the toys, Chuk Chuk hasn't come back. We must try to find it. Mithu, the parrot, said, why should we worry about Chuk Chuk? It doesn't even talk to us. Teddy said, Mithu, it's true what you say, but I think Chuk Chuk is in trouble. We must help it. Then all the toys agreed to look for Chuk Chuk. They went into the garden to find it. They called out, Chuk Chuk, dear friend, where are you? Suddenly they heard sobs coming from a bush. They ran towards it and found Chuk Chuk lying in it. Teddy and Jambu pulled it out and brought it back to Rahul's room. All the toys said lovingly, don't worry Chuk Chuk, we will take care of you.
Teddy was worried about Chuk Chuk. Who is Teddy, my dears? Yes, you are right. Teddy is the leader of the toys. It was worried about this Chuk Chuk. and it said to all other toys, Chuk Chuk, it didn't come back, so we must try to find it. But Mithu, who is Mithu? Yes, the parrot. This parrot toy said, it is not talking with us. Why we have to worry about? So Teddy said, no Mithu, what you are saying, it is true. It is 100% true, but we have to take care. We have to help this Chuk Chuk because it may be in the trouble. Yes, isn't it? Then all the toys were agreed to search for Chuk Chuk. They went into the garden and they finally find the Chuk Chuk. How they find? Yes, they hear the crying noise from the bush. Who is crying noise? Yes, this Chuk Chuk's crying noise. Then afterwards what happened? That Red Teddy and Jambu find this Chuk Chuk and they pulled it out and brought it back to Rahul's room. Then at last what they said? All the toys said to Chuk Chuk, don't worry Chuk Chuk, you should not do anything. We are your friends. We will take care of you. Like that. You also having more friends, isn't it? You also helpful to your friends. Okay, dears.
They cleaned it properly. Sim Sim, the clown, tapped Chuk Chuk's headlight back into place. Then it painted over all the scratches with red paint. Chuk Chuk looked bright and happy again. Chuk Chuk's eyes filled with tears. It said, I am sorry. I was rude to all of you. Will you be my friends? Everyone shouted, yes, Chuk Chuk, we will be your friends. Then all the toys lived happily ever after.
All the toys cleaned this Chuk Chuk properly. Then Sim Sim, who is Sim Sim, dears? Yes, you are right, the clown toy. It tapped Chuk Chuk's headlight back into its right place. Then it painted all the scratches with red paint to Chuk Chuk's body. So now Chuk Chuk looks very brightly and now it is happy again. Now Chuk Chuk realized its mistake. Chuk Chuk asked sorry to all its toy friends. Then every toy shouted with joy, yes, Chuk Chuk, we will be your friends. Then what happened at last? All the toys lived happily ever after. What you learned from this lesson, my dears? Yes, you are right. We should be friend to everyone. We should not feel very proud of ourselves. We have to make all person as our friends, isn't it? Yes, you are right. You make all person as your friends. Okay, dears?